Welcome. This is my first attempt at a screen capture video tutorial, or screencast. The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate the new comments tool in Wikispaces. First, we are here on the proposed PLC success factors page. Wanted to show you what you will find when you come to this page. It will look like this. You won't see any comments. There's actually 9 comments on this page, but where are they? The key is over here in the right-hand corner. Whenever a page has some comments connected to the text, you'll see this little speech bubble with a number in it. The number indicates how many comments there are. If you click on that bubble, you'll find that the text then narrows, the text of your document narrows, and your speech bubbles show up here to the right. You'll also notice that prior to clicking on that speech bubble, there was no highlights in the text. And you click on the speech bubble, certain parts of the text become highlighted if there are comments. If you click on a highlighted section, you'll all notice that one of the comment bubbles will kind of brighten up or become active. That comment goes with that section of the highlighted text. If I click on this one, this comment becomes connected to this highlighted section of the text. It also works in reverse. If I click on the comment, that section of the text will become highlighted. You can see as I demonstrate that by toggling back and forth. If you want to add your own comment, wanted to demonstrate what you do here. I'm going to demonstrate showing you something that might cause you a little heartache in the end, and it's got a simple fix, but it's kind of a little bug in their system. If you don't have the discussion bubbles expanded when you go into the edit mode, and then you try to expand the discussion bubbles after you're already in the edit mode, the edit bubbles sort of overlay the text instead of squeezing the text over. At least it happens this way in my browser, Chrome. It might act differently in other browsers. The simple way to have this fix this is if this is happening to you is to simply cancel, go back into the regular page view and expand your bubbles. Once the bubbles are expanded, then you can click on edit, and then your text is squeezed over and your bubbles aren't overlaying it. So let's say you want to add your own bubble. First of all, here's the tool. Now, if you click on the tool without having highlighted any text, I'm clicking on it now, nothing's happening. You actually have to highlight the text that you want to comment about before it will allow you to use that button. So here I've highlighted collaboration in our document, and I'm going to click on our Add Comment tool in our toolbar, and it appears nothing happened. This is another thing that might bug you a little bit, but it's workaroundable. When a number of comments are on a page, the actual new comment that you get to add is down lower, so you may have to scroll down in order to find it. You'll know you found it when you come up to a spot that has your name, a bubble that has your name, and it says type your comment here. Erase the type your comment here part, and then you get to start adding your own text. I'm just going to add test, 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 because I don't have anything specific to say about collaboration right now. And now you're not done. It's not going to be posted for others to see until you go back up to the top and click Save. Once you've clicked Save, you'll notice that the number had 9 comments before, now it has 10. And as I scroll down, I'll find my test, test, test button. Oh, what text did I connect it to? If I click on it, it highlights it. It's collaboration. So now I have test, test, test as my comment here, and let's say that I really didn't want that to be on there, and I want to change that or delete that. Unfortunately, you can't change it, but you can delete it. I noticed a couple of spelling mistakes in my previous post about mission and vision. I could not go back and change them unless I deleted them and started them over. But as I said, you can delete them. There's actually 2 options down here. You have delete this comment and control comment options. If you don't want anybody to ever delete it, you can actually lock your comment. And also, if you would like, my computer wants to update right now. Let's cancel that. All right. Just be glad we're on Macs because the PC computers pop up windows like that almost nonstop. So here we have the test. Back to where we were on the little gear thing, control comments option. Click on that. You have the locked comment. That'll keep other people from deleting it. You can actually delete Kamisha's post down here. Anybody can delete anybody's post. Wikispaces might want to change that, but for now, you can use the lock comment button or option here to keep other people from deleting yours. You can also monitor a comment. So if you put a comment and you want to follow it, you can. The Wikispaces will email you with if anybody replies to your comment. Now, if you already have in your settings set it to email you with any changes, it'll all automatically send you any updates. The reply here, I could reply to the test thing just by simply clicking on reply. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click cancel. I do want to delete it, so simply just click on the trash can and it's gone. Well, not really. It would seem like it would give you are you sure you really want to delete this? But you have this cancel option up here instead of saving. Once you do save, then it is permanently deleted. If you deleted something on accident, you can go up here to hit cancel and it won't delete it. But I did want to delete that, so I will click save. And now that comment is gone. And you'll also see that my dialog number here is back to 9. One other feature that I wanted to show you, there is a connection. Actually, what these little speech bubbles are just little windows actually into the discussion tab. If I click on this, you'll see that all of the various comments are actually listed here as a discussion with the preceding comment added section here. So just wanted to make sure you saw that in case that confused you later. That does it for my video tutorial. I also wanted to show you how I was able to make this screencast. I went to www.screencast-o-matic.com and it was very simple. Just clicked on start recording. It allowed me to resize my page, and then I was able to simply start talking and click.
Eric Taylor, if you're in the building, please call Mike's office. Eric Taylor, call Mike's office.
Sorry about that interruption. As you can see, I'm doing this from the office. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and it was pretty easy to make, and I would strongly urge that our school district start using this as a tool to do our professional development. Thanks, and have a great day.